The search bar at the top allows you to conduct a filtered candidate search so you can find the perfect fit for your company. The populated results take you to the profiles of candidates with relevant work experience, educational qualifications, and other details. Recruiters are free to add multiple tags to each profile. These tags help you create filters for further candidate searches, recycle candidates over a period of time, and bring in efficiency in your long-term recruitment goals. If a candidate is an applicant, you can see the previously applied jobs as well as their screening status. With Vasitum, recruitment is easier, you save time, reduce costs, and find the best candidates efficiently. Come and reimagine recruitment with us.